Installed WordPress but confused by all these menus? Don't worry, in this video I'll explain the entire WordPress dashboard in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Hi, welcome to Kalyani Digitals. If you're learning website creation or digital marketing, this video is for you. Let's get started. This is the dashboard. Think of it as your website's control room. Here, you can see updates, you can see website activity, and you can see important notifications. The Update section tells you when WordPress, themes, or plugins need updating. Keeping everything updated helps improve your website's security and performance. From the WordPress dashboard, click on Posts. Posts are used to create blog articles or news updates. Every time you want to publish a blog, this is the section you'll use. To create a new blog post, click Add New Post. Here you can write your article, add images, format the content, and publish it for your visitors. Under Posts, click Categories. Categories help organize your blog posts into different topics. This makes it easier for visitors to find related content. Next, click Tags under Posts. Tags describe specific topics within a blog post and help users discover similar articles. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Click Media, then Library. This is where all your uploaded images, videos, PDFs, and other files are securely stored. To upload a new image or document, click Add Media File. Once uploaded, you can use these files anywhere on your website. Now click Pages from the WordPress dashboard. Pages are used for permanent website content, such as your home page, About Us page, Services page, and Contact page. To create a new page, click Add New Page. This is where you build important pages. Visitors can access them from your website menu. Let us type About Us for this page. Next, click Comments. Here you can review visitor comments, approve genuine ones, or reply to them. You can also remove spam comments. From the WordPress dashboard, click Appearance, then Themes. Themes control how your website looks and help give your site a professional design. Now click Customize under Appearance. Here you can change your website logo, colors, fonts, menus, and many other design settings. From the WordPress dashboard, click Plugins. Plugins add extra features to your website, such as contact forms, SEO tools, backups, and security. To install a new plugin, click Add Plugin. Search for the plugin you need, install it, and activate it to use its features. Now click Users. This section allows you to add team members. You can assign different roles. This is based on their access level. From the WordPress dashboard, click Tools. This section helps you import or export website content, which is useful when moving your website. Finally, click Settings. Here you can change your website name, tagline, homepage settings, time zone, and many other important website configurations. Now you've learned the most important sections. You're ready to start building. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical content. Thanks for watching.